Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to winterize your 4-stroke pressure washer. Now I'm going to keep this one inside, so I'm not going to put coolant in it, but I'll show you how it's done. So first thing you do is you run seafoam into a gas can, shake it up, or a stable, and you put it in your gas tank. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to run the motor for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to shut the fuel off. That way it dries the carburetor and sucks it dry of any gas that's in it. At that time, and after that, I'll show you. Okay, now that I ran stable in the fuel tank for a second and I shut the fuel off, I know that there's stable or seafoam inside the carburetor and the gas got sucked out of there. So whatever fuel went in there, it is treated fuel. So also what you want to make sure, normally I would have hooked it up, but I know I wasn't going to run it that long enough to warm it up. So what you can do also is tip this up and you can pour coolant, like an RV coolant for marine, or like a -50, -75, or even a -100. Pour this in there and pull the pull cord a few times. That way you can see pink shooting out of here. And lastly, I'm gonna leave this inside, so I'm not doing that this year. You want to drain your line out. So run this down like your yard and pick it up and curl it up, and that way the water can run out of the fuel line. That's how you winterize your pressure washer. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.